Hi, Dee. Welcome to our house. I'm Poppy.
And I'm Cara. This is Alfie Dumbledore Delevingne.
And this is Leo. Only Leo. Formerly known as Leo. He's gone.
We have been living here for what?
Since January.
Since January.
Yeah.
It's been being renovated for about a year?
About a year and a half.
Year and a half.
And basically the theme is jungle.
Jungle.
So welcome to our house.
Mad world. This is the dining area.
We went for a sort of forest green lacquer and our little rattan chandelier and the kitchen.
This is where we like to cook when we learn how
Oh,
to.
and pink plates. We went a bit nuts on that.
I cook.
No, you don't.
I cook.
You've never cooked in here.
I've cooked with plastic knives and forks before we moved to had any cutlery.
We're still using chopsticks, but
I've used this. Yeah, I cook.
this is our guest room because we like to have as many people come stay as possible. So we've accommodated for every age, shape and size, and as many people as possible.
Oh.
You're gonna regret that.
So this is where our friends stay.
Oh yeah.
And we designed this ourselves because I just always wanted a double bed.
You
bunk
designed
bed.
it, you mean?
I designed it.
This is your idea.
Sorry,
I thought it was a
I wanted to
terrible
include you in my design process.
Thank you, you're so kind.
And that's it, really. I'm a top and bottom bunker, you see. So this is Le Balcony that runs all the way around the house, which is really nice because it all connects. We have some very lush greenery.
You know, we're from England, so we don't really get a lot of garden situations going on, so I feel like us coming out here,
We decided to
really
really
what we
express our
wanted to.
garden selves.
yeah.
Yeah, through the lush greenery of our loins.
Loins, what?
Okay.
Okay, this is where the magic happens. Where's the door handle?
That's what I was going to say.
Welcome to my room. What could I say about this? It's very zen,
Very poppy.
very relaxing. It's where I like to meditate. I just wanted a little space where I could go and be calm because I'm not a very calm person. So this is what I've kind of created. I went for this beautiful tropical Dagorne wallpaper. It's kind of in running theme with the rest of the house. And I made a bed big enough to swim in because my husband and I are both giraffes and 6'5".
I call them oblong.
That's why she calls us oblong, because we're giants.
This room is so bright that I have to put a protective force field around me because it burns my skin. As you will see when you go to my
She's
area.
a vampire.
Just a little baby.
Go ahead, next it. From my bed, I get to look out onto this, which is pretty spectacular. Getting to wake up in the morning with the sunshine and the leaves and the palms. It's like Malibu Barbie. It's what I ever wanted to be. These are macrames found in Palm Springs. And this is a statue I picked up in Palm Springs also.
She found it on the side of the road. Oh, God. This is personally my favourite bathroom.
Welcome to the world's smallest loo. We got it on eBay.
Did we?
Yeah.
Genius.
Sometimes you kind of scare yourself if you've had like a few cocktails and you sit down too fast.
And here is where we keep the naughty children. Oh, wait. I can't show you. Ha ha. Let's go. Now this is my area. Now, this is what I call a room. Come in. This is my bathroom. This is kind of my own ode to like Moroccan hammam, kind of got my steam shower, a beautiful copper and silver blue, which is one of my favorites. And yeah, the tiling, this very nice sink, beautiful mirror. It's all kind of Moroccan themed, which I love. You know, you get this really nice light coming in the morning. Come in this way. It's kind of like a seating area. And another one, obviously. This is where I have my business meetings. I collect ashtrays. This one's a fun one. To get it in the hole. This is my boob incense holder. This is a lion ashtray, drinking out of a ashtray. It's not really.
Because she's a Leo.
And after a long day, I like to retire to my very large bed, which I can fit me and all my dogs in, which is great. I just wanted a really big bed because I have very long feet. It's a custom size bed. I think it's about 11 feet. So this is where we like to watch movies. And occasionally, if anyone wants to show their expertise of modern dance, they are totally allowed. It's almost encouraged. We also have some, 60s velvet, gorgeous
Nudies.
nudie women, which is wonderful. Oh, my vagina. I let other people do that, not me. So the one great feature about this house is that it all connects.
This is the deck. So let's slide down the banister.
This is really dangerous. Oh my God, it's burning.
Oh, God. Oh my God, no, the pan.
Oh!
I wanted it to be more like Mary Poppins, anyway. This, I kind of wanted it to feel a little bit like the Mad Hatter's Tea Party with how we did this dining room area. So we chose all these different kinds of chairs, all kind of in wicker and rattan. This is where we, what do? We eat and we giggle
And we play cards.
And
Perudo.
It's the entertaining.
This is our pool room.
Playroom.
Come in. I mean, there's a lot of space in here, which is amazing.
There's a
the
lot
light
of
is
Beverly
incredible.
Hills banana leaf print.
Yeah.
My favourite part of this is the bar, where we have our own keg, true Brit style.
There you go.
Delicious. Cheers.
And we got our little custom light made for the bar area. This guy. Oh, there's pee here. Great. So everyone knows what time it is. It's always midday somewhere. Am I right? This is going to be a music studio.
No, it's not. It's going to be a gym.
No, it's not.
It's going to be a gym.
It's not. This is also one of my favourite pieces.
Why?
Because it's pinball. Who doesn't love
And
pinball?
because there's Hugh Hefner.
I mean, that part.
Oh, you've got to look at our PNC mats.
Yes.
We got these from Bed Bath & Beyond. Oh, wait. Whoa. Why are you first? That's better.
Okay, come on outside.
Little bird of paradise, little parasol. This is where we try to tan, but nothing happens. We just freckle.
I don't. We have a jacuzzi, our swimming pool, which is gorgeous.
Have you swum yet?
Nope.
Maybe neither. But we will.
Our barbecue area over there, which we still haven't used either.
No, I have.
She's used it. Great. Thank
did.
God. Thanks for inviting me. So this is in the summer when we like to come and sleep. We haven't done that yet, but we will. Oh, there she goes.
Right, we're pooped.
We are pooped.
Exhausted.
Thank you,
Need to
AD, for
rest.
coming.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks so much. It's been
Hopefully
great
you
having
can have
you.
us over to your house sometime.
Yeah.
And
What's
return the
that like?
favour, maybe, huh?
Yeah.
Huh? That'd
Exactly.
be cool. I also ran for tea one time.
All right, bye.
Hope you've enjoyed it. Bye. Say goodbye, happy.